Good evening, I'm Maša.
And I'm Milica.
Today we are going to talk about Zendaya. Zendaya Marie Coleman Stormer was born on September 1st, 1996 in Oakland. She is an American singer and actress who began her career as a child model and backup dancer. Her first big role was in comedy Shake It Up, in which she auditioned for role C.C. Jones, but she was selected for Blocky instead.
Her parents are Clara Maria Storman and Kazame Ayamu. Her father's name was original Samuel David Coleman. The two were married in 2008. The marriage came to the end this year. Zendaya has got 2 brothers and 3 sisters, and she is aunt 8 nieces and nephews.
Besides acting and singing, Zendaya does other things. In 2013, she started work on her clothing line, inspired by clothes from Shake It Up. In 2013, she released her book, Between You and Me, How to Rock Your Tween Years with Style and Confidence. And she also spent 3 years dancing in a dance group called Future Shock Oakland. The group did hip-hop and hula dances.
Zendaya has been nominated for a lot of awards, but one that she won were Best Style, Candace Style Icon, Best Comedy Actress, Favorite Female TV Star. We love her because she is human and she has been making us laugh for a long time. Thank you.
That's it.